Okay. To set the anti-collision sensitive level, all you need to do is to enter the menu. To enter the menu, what you need to do is to press M and up at the same time. And this time the display will show N0 and with a number. It doesn't matter what number it is. The number we have to go to will be N07. So use up and down menu to adjust the number. So 5, 6, 7. And then press M to confirm, enter. So at the moment, it shows 000 means it is not sensitive. If we press this 1, 2, this is going to reset the sensitive level. So to 9 will be the most sensitive one, and 0 will be the not sensitive one. Just choose the number you desire or the sensitive level you need, and then press M button to confirm and back to the menu, and then press M and down button at the same time. When the display shows DNE means okay, saved. And now everything's been done. Thank you.